Today we're doing the Fiddle windshield installation. First step is removing the handlebar cover and installing the smaller brackets that come with the hardware kit. The brackets for the windshield are directional and they have stamps on it with an L for the left and an R for the right side. This is the order the brackets should be mounted on. This is how you assemble the hardware for the windshield. After you install the bars, you're ready to just slide on the windshield. Now you just tighten the hardware to secure your windshield. After you tighten your hardware, your windshield is complete.